guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we're going to be comparing buttercream. Yes. And I'm going to be asking you guys if you guys can tell the difference, because trust me, your customers can. Okay, so specifically today we're going to be considering Swiss Meringue Buttercream and American Buttercream. So we're going to be comparing them. So as a cake decorator, like, it's your place to find which buttercream is best for your customers, which one is easier for you to make and better for your cakes and everything, like which one gives you the best results. So today I'm going to be equipping you with the skills you need for that. So number one, we're going to be considering the skill level. For American Buttercream, basically anybody can make it. So it's basically for any beginner can make it. But for Swiss Meringue Buttercream, it's more technical. So you'd have to have some, some knowledge about how making meringue and stuff. So my point is, you basically do not need any special skill to make American Buttercream. But for Swiss Meringue Buttercream, you might need some help. Okay, so number two, we will be considering the general characteristics of both Swiss Meringue Buttercream and American Buttercream. Okay, so first of all, for American Buttercream, it has like an ivory color. It's not exactly white. It is not white at all, actually. It has an ivory color, and it is because you're using butter. So it has the color of the butter and the icing sugar whipped together. It's easy to pipe. It's easy to flavor. It's easy to, basically, it's very easy. Anybody can use it. Like, it's awesome too. And then for Swiss Meringue Buttercream, it has like a pale white color, and it is not too sweet, so it's a lot healthier for your customers basically, and it is fairly stable at room temperature than American Buttercream. Okay, so considering the texture of American Buttercream compared to Swiss Meringue Buttercream, American Buttercream can be a lot thicker. It has like a thick consistency, and it can be a lot gritty. Like, it can be a little bit gritty, depending on the quality of the icing sugar you're using and the quality of your butter. So quality of ingredients matters a lot in both buttercreams though. So it can be relatively thick basically, and it can be gritty, and it pipes and hold really well. But for Swiss Meringue Buttercream, it is very silky smooth, and it is glossy. Okay, so number four, we're going to be considering composition. And for American Buttercream, it is super easy. All you need is some icing sugar and butter. But for Swiss Meringue Buttercream, you're going to be needing pasteurized egg whites, some castor sugar, some heat. You might need a thermometer. Like, it's a lot more complex. Okay, so lastly, guys, in my opinion, I think American Buttercream is best for like last minute cakes. Like, if you need to decorate some cakes last minute and cupcakes and stuff, or if you need to make some intricate designs, because it holds really well. It has an amazing texture, especially for holding, and it is very fast to make. But for Swiss Meringue Buttercream, like, you can use it for layered cakes, like any cake you want to create a silky smooth finish basically. And if you have a cake business, I advise you use Swiss Meringue Buttercream. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video, and maybe I hope it makes some sense to you basically. So thank you guys for always watching my videos, and you can follow me on Instagram at _double_cake me away, and as well subscribe to this YouTube channel as Cake Me Away, and I have more than 120 YouTube videos for you guys on here. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.